In a world shadowed by pain, Florence Nightingale ignited a guiding light.
A touch that whispers soft as dawn.
Her lantern was more than light. It symbolized Christ's healing presence here.
Hope has gone through quiet hands. The world is mended.
Florence's faith wove service and love like threads of a healing tapestry.
One step, one spark, one tender flame, a light that shines.
As war erupted, her light pierced despair's heavy, suffocating darkness.
These are the hands that heal, that hold. Warming
Through the night, her steps whispered Christ's mercy in every ward.
These are the hearts that rise, that give, living the light.
Her tireless care sowed seeds of hope, growing stronger with each dawn. Florence's light mirrors Christ's call to serve in humble, steadfast love. Her legacy shines brightly, guiding hearts toward healing and selfless giving. Like Florence, we hold a lantern to serve, reflecting Christ's endless grace. In every act of service, Christ's light transforms darkness into radiant hope.